Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's solve this equation together. We have 5 to the power of x is equal to 100 and we're asked to find the value of x in this equation. Find x. Now the first thing to do here is to take log of both sides. So we say take log of both sides. That means we have log 5 to the power of x is equal to log 100. Okay, now when you have this kind of equation, when you have log 5 to the power of x, let's say you have log a to the power of x, it can be rewritten as x log a. So we'll be using this rule to solve this equation. Excuse me. So you have x log 5 is equal to log 100. Okay, we are looking for the value of x, so we can divide both sides by log 5. Let's divide both sides by log 5. Okay, we have x log 5 divided by log 5 is equal to log 100 divided by log 5. Okay, now we have log 5 cancel log 5. We're left with x on this left hand side is equal to log 100 over log 5. Alright, we can rewrite 100 as what? 20 multiplied by 5. So let's rewrite it. We have x is equal to log 20 multiplied by 5 all over log 5. Okay, now when you have log a b, which is log a multiplied by b, is the same thing as log a plus log b, log b. Now we are applying the product rule to solve this equation. Okay, now that means you have x is equal to log 20 plus log 5 all over log 5. Alright, now this denominator covers for log 20 and log 5. So we have that x is equal to log 20 over log 5 plus log 5 all over log 5. Log 5 can cancel each other, we'll have 1 here. Okay, now we'll have that x is equal, let's bring 1 here, 1 plus log 20 over log 5. Now 20 can be written as 4 multiplied by 5. Yes? So we have x is equal to 1 plus log 4 multiplied by 5 all over log 5. Okay? So x is equal to 1 plus log. Now remember, we said that when you have log AB is the same thing as log A plus log B. So let's do that here. So we have log 4 multiplied by 5 now becomes log 4 plus log 5 divided by log 5 and divided by log 5, because this log 5 is for both 4 and 5. Okay, so now instead this can cancel and we'll have 1. So x is equal to 1 plus 1 will give us 2 plus log 4 over log 5. Okay, now let's do a change of base. When you have log a over over log b is the same thing as log a base b. The denominator becomes the base of the logarithm. Okay, so now x is now equal to 2 plus log 4 base 5. This is our answer. Now let's verify and see if this question is correct. If the answer is correct, verify. 5 to the power of x, is it equal to 100? We are verifying. Okay, and we know that from our solving, x is equal to 2 plus log 4 base 5. Okay, let's continue. So here we have 5. We are substituting x. We are substituting this for the value of x in this equation. Okay, so it is 2 plus log 4 base 5. Is it equal to 100? Now, if you're just joining us for the first time, please do me a favor and support my channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoy the way I'm solving this, okay? So let's continue. So we have that this is plus, and we know that when you have log a plus log b, it is log ab. So this is plus, it becomes a multiplication. So we have 5 to the power of 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of log 4 base 5 is equal to 100. Okay, 5 squared is 5 times 5. That will give us 25. That is equal to log base 5. Will cancel this one, so you have multiplied by 4, and is it equal to 100? 25 times 5 will give us 100, and that is equal to 100. Therefore, our left hand side is the same thing as our right hand side. The value of x is equal to 2 plus log 4 base 5. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.